Which exercise? Which exercise? No, not wait for 2 minutes. Already it is. Which exercise? 5. See exercise 4, 5. Exercise 5D we have started. In that we have done exercise 4. 4. Wait. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can give homework if you want. All are easy. Yes? All are easy. Just make a try. Question number 4 to question number 10. Yes, let us give homework. 6. Then let us take. Because see, you can do easily. Now which one are difficult, that I am doing. No. A raised to 6. A raised to 6 minus B raised to 6. Now power is 6. So A raised to 6 minus B raised to 6. A raised to 6 I can write A raised to A raised to 3 raised to 2 minus B raised to 3 raised to 2. Power is, wait. Power raised to power. Now it is clear. Power raised to, it is clear. Power raised to power. Power raised to power. 11. Question number 11. This is my x and this is my y. X is AQ, y is BQ. So now we use the formula x square minus y square. Use the formula x square minus y square. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. 11. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. So now my x is AQ. So that one x square minus y square we are using, no? X square minus y square. This is my x. Now not AQ minus BQ. How AQ minus BQ? My bracket term is x. AQ. Bracket is my x. No. See, my A cube is x. A cube is x. So if A cube is x, that becomes x square minus y square. So that will be A cube. A cube plus B cube. A cube plus B cube into. No. See here. Wait. Let me explain. This A raised to 6 I can write A raised to 3 raised to 3. Power raised to power, multiply the powers. So now this bracket I will take x cube. I will take x cube. I am taking x. X cube I am taking x. Y B cube I am taking y. So that becomes yes, you can take A square whole cube, then you have to take the formula A cube minus B cube, no problem. Yes. Wait, then you can take A square, then you can take A cube minus B cube. Now I am taking A raised to 3 raised to 2. Now board is clear now? Board is very much clear. So A raised, so wait, keep silence. Keep silence. Keep silence, it will be okay. Wait. Into a square minus ab plus b square, a cube plus b cube formula. Then a cube minus b cube we write into a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square plus ab plus b square. This is the answer. Plus ab plus b square. हाँ एक मिनट now it is clear. Yes, now it is clear. How? Wait it. Right. So it is. See. No. How you can cancel plus AB and minus AB? It is everywhere. It is multiplication. Multiplication is there, no? So how you will cancel this? If it is plus, then you can cancel. A plus B into A square. Let me do by other way. Chalo. Let me do by another method. See the formula. A cube minus B cube. A cube minus B cube is A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. And A cube plus B cube is A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. Yes. Now if you see, wait, if you let me do by other method, no problem. A raised to 6 minus B raised to 6. No, you also have to write. No, only one method is required. Now this I can write A. Yes, only one method. Let it be. You can do by another. See, you can do by. Now let us do 12th one. Let us do. Stick to this method. This is easier. What you want? Okay. Now 12th, do by this method. A raised to 6 minus 7a cube plus minus 8. A raised to 6 minus 7a cube minus 8. Now a raised to 6 I can write a raised to 3 raised to 2. Power raised to power, multiply the power, minus 7a cube minus 8. Now power 6 is there. Now I will make one substitution. This bracket a cube I will consider x. Put x is equal to a cube. This a cube I am replacing by x. Yes, you can write, no problem. But I am writing a raised to 3 raised to 2, so that a raised to 3 I can take together. Now I will replace a cube, x square, then minus 7x minus a. Now this is the quadratic equation. Find two numbers whose addition is minus 7 and multiplication is minus 8. Multiplication is minus 8, addition is minus 7. So find two numbers whose addition is minus 7. No, how 4 into? Yes, it will be minus 8 plus 1. Yes, find two number. Yes. Whose sum is minus 7 and multiplication is minus 8. So minus 8 and plus 1. The numbers are minus 8 and plus 1. So this I will write x square. Middle term I will split minus 8x plus x minus 8. Middle term I am only splitting. Other term I am keeping as it is. So now x is common, x minus 8 plus 1 into x minus 8. X minus 8 is now common. So it is x minus 8 into x plus 1. Now we put the value of x. Put x is equal to a cube. So this becomes a cube minus 8 into AQ plus 1. Now AQ minus 8 I can write 2Q, and plus 1 I can write 1Q. So there I will use the formula AQ minus BQ, and there I will use the formula AQ plus BQ. Yes. Great. Find two numbers whose sum is minus 7, multiplication is minus 8. So numbers are minus 8 and 1. So this middle term minus 7x, we write minus 8x plus x. Wait. Then x is common, then it is x minus 8 plus 1 into x minus 8. X minus 8 is common there. That I can take outside, then it is x plus 1. So x minus 8 into x plus 1. Now put the value of x. X is AQ. AQ minus 8 into AQ plus 1. AQ minus 8. 8 I can write 2Q. And 1 I can write 1Q. So now this is of the form AQ minus BQ and AQ plus BQ. We use the formula. AQ minus BQ is A minus B into A square plus AB 2A plus B square. That is 4. Should I write directly 4 or 2 square? Tell me. A minus B, yes. And how it will come? B square, no. 2 square is 4. Square. A minus B into A square plus AB, A into 2, 2A plus B square. 2 square is 4. Into, it is into, again AQ plus BQ. AQ plus BQ is A plus B, A plus 1 into A square, then plus A into 1A plus 1 square is 1. And how minus? That is minus A. What is that formula? AQ minus B, AQ plus BQ is A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. So it is minus A into 1 minus A. If it is minus, it is plus. If it is plus, it is minus along with AB term. And this is the answer. Now 14, 15, 16, 17. 14, 15. Wait. See, wait. 14. Yes. 14, 15, 16, 17 are easy. Wait. In 14. Wait. 14 to 17. 14. 13 to 17. Okay, chalo. 13 to 17 are homework. Let me make it 14 to 17 and do 13. 13. AQ minus 27 BQ. AQ minus 27 BQ plus 2A square B minus 6A BQ. 6A BQ. Total there are 4 terms. So I will do the grouping. We'll do the grouping of these two. These two terms I will take together. These two terms I will take together. And do the grouping. AQ is, this is AQ. 27 B cube I can write 3B whole cube. 27 I can write 3 cube B cube. Plus in these two 2AB is common. 2AB is common. Yes. Next step I will use. Next step. In these two 2AB is common, then it is A minus 3B. A minus 6A. In these two 3 b square, a minus 3b square, 6ab cube. Just see the question whether this is the question. Wait. Array, wait. Why? See. It is 6ab square. In the question, it is 6ab square. In the question, it is 6ab square. So it is it is a minus 3b. Yes. See, yes. Now I will write. Now I will write. Wait. Now I will use a cube minus. A cube minus b cube, a minus 3b into a square plus a into 3b, that is 3ab, plus 3b square, 9b square plus 2ab into a minus 3b. Now that, yes, a minus 3b is common in these two. So a minus 3b I can take common. So this is a minus 3b. A minus 3b into a square plus 3ab plus 9b square plus 2ab. Well, this is the answer final. So that is a minus a square plus 3ab and plus 2ab I can add because they are like terms, same variable, same power. Now how plus 1 will come? Because it is 2ab, no? 2ab is there, so 2ab will come. No, how plus 1 will come? No, I have taken a minus 3b common, so this is left. Okay. Then from second, what is left? 2ab is left. No. If 2ab is not there, then it is 1. Okay. Now 3ab plus 2ab I can add. Like term. 3 plus 2, 5ab. Plus 9b square. And this is the answer. A minus 3b into yes. Well, this is the answer. Yes, this is the answer. Yes. Answer will be same. You can directly write a cube minus b cube. Instead of writing this step, you can directly write this. But you should be able to identify. I have to explain. Yes, I have to explain so that even each and every student follow that, understand that. So you can directly write, no problem, if you can identify. But I am writing in this way so that you can identify that it is a cube minus b cube formula. You have to write. Now let us do 18th. Yes. 18th and 19th. Both are important. And both are very easy. Yes, both are very easy. So it may happen that today 5 minutes it may be extended. So don't become panic. So that this 5D gets over. 18 show that, mark this important star, show that first 13 cube minus 5 cube is divisible by 8. 13 cube minus 5 cube is divisible by, yes? Yes, 14 to 17 are homework. 13 cube minus 5 cube is divisible by 8. Now let us solve this. 13 cube minus 5 cube. Use the formula a cube minus b cube. What is a cube minus b cube? That is 13 minus 5. A minus b into a square, 13 square, plus ab, 13 into 5, plus b square 5 square. So 13 minus 5 is 8 into 169 plus 65 plus 25. So 13 cube 13 cube minus 5 cube is 8 into 9, yes, 8 into 259. This is 8 into 259. See, so 13 cube. Now this logic you remember. When I am writing 8 as, let us take some example. When I am writing 15 as 3 into 5, that means 3 is a factor of 15. 3 is a factor of 15. 5 is a factor of 15. Means I can divide 15 by 3. I can divide 15 by 5. So whenever 3 is a factor means 15 is divisible by 3. 15 is divisible by 5. The same logic we apply. What is 13 cube minus 5 cube? 13 cube minus 5 cube is that implies 8 is a factor of 13 cube minus 5 cube. So whenever it is a factor, not by method of contradiction. Not by method of contradiction. 13 cube minus 5 cube is 8 into this, means 8 is a factor of this. When 8 is a factor, that means this is divisible by this. Yes, 259 is also factor. That implies 13 cube minus 5 cube is divisible by 8. We can divide the given number by the factor is divisible by 8, and this complete answer. So whenever second, no. This side we are keeping as it is, 13 cube minus 5 cube. 13 cube minus 5 cube, we use the formula a cube minus b cube. We use the formula a cube minus b cube. We use the formula a cube minus b cube. Second one, if you want, I can give the homework. 35 cube plus 27 cube is divisible by 62. Is divisible by 62. Yes. Use the formula a cube plus b cube. Are you getting? You will use the formula a cube plus b cube. Use the formula a cube plus b cube. It is homework. Wait. Let me write few steps. No. Let me write few steps. Then I will give 35 cube plus 20. Wait. So this is 35 plus 27. A cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab 35 into 27 plus 27 square. Now further part I am giving homework. Because you have to find 35. You have to find 35 square, then you have to find 27 square, that will take time. So that part I am giving homework. Now last exercise of this ID 19. 19 you mark important. Yes. You have done this in the expansion. Yes, 5.67 into 5.67 into 5.67 plus 4.33 in, no, if you multiply you will get marks. Out of 3 you will get 1 mark. 5.67 into 5.67 minus 5.67 into 4.33 plus sign plus 4.3. It is multiplication. It is last one multiplication. 4.33 into 4.33 into 4.33. Yes. Arey, you listen properly. No, I am saying no multiplication. 5.67 into. No. 5.67 into 5.67 into 5. 5.67 into 5.67 plus 4.3 into 4.3 into 4.3 upon 5.67 into 5.67 my. Yes. Very good. So we'll take A as take A as 5.67. Wait. B is 4.33. A as 5.67, B as 4.33. So this becomes A into A plus B into B. Solve. Further part I have given homework. No, one step you have written. Upon A into B minus A into B. Sorry, A into A minus A into B plus B into B. So A into A means A cube plus B cube upon A square minus AB plus B square. Now numerator I will use the formula of A cube plus B cube. A cube plus B cube is A plus B into A square. Denominator I will keep as it is. A square minus AB plus B square. A square minus AB plus B square is there in the denominator. Yes, now it will get cancelled. Numerator, this term get cancelled with this. So left is A plus B. Left part is A plus B. Now put the not minus. Not minus AB. This entire bracket term. I have cancelled with entire bracket term I have cancelled with. Yes, it is clear. Entire bracket term I have cancelled. See this entire bracket term. No, wait. This entire this. Yes, this term. Entire bracket I had cancelled with this. So A plus B, A is 5.67 plus B is 4.33. Now add them, you will get answer is 10. Whole bracket, no. A square minus AB plus B square. A square minus AB. Yes. How much time is left? Yes. Okay. Yes. Wait. Yes. Next E part. Wait. See. Yes. Now see here. Wait. Let me 14 to 17th I had given homework. Let me solve one or two problem from that. Which I am finding little bit difficult, that I am covering. Now let us do this. Yes. Now 13, 14 are same. Let me do 15. 15th you mark important. 15 type of problems are important. A minus B minus A cube plus B cube. A minus B minus A cube plus B cube. So we do the grouping. These two terms we take together. These two terms we take together. Yes, we do the grouping. So A minus B, we write in the bracket, then minus I will take common, then it is A cube, then plus become minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. Yeah. Now a minus b we keep as it is. Now second I will use the formula a cube minus b cube. So that is a minus b. No. How you can take the common a minus b? This is a cube minus b cube and this is a minus b. You cannot take common. A cube minus b cube. First I will use the formula a minus b, then a square plus ab plus b square. Now I will take the common. A minus b is there in first term. No. See, we can take common because there is multiplication sign. There is multiplication sign. No. We are taking a minus b common because it is multiplication sign. So let me write. This is a minus b minus a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is multiplication sign. So this entire bracket I can write whenever you open the bracket. See, even though minus sign is outside, but there inside there is multiplication. So multiplication is there, then sign does not change inside sign. Whenever there is plus or minus, sign changes. Now a minus b is common. This is first term a minus b. So when I will take a minus b common, then what is left in the first term? Yes, anybody? Yes. In place of a minus b, I have taken common, so it will be 1. 1, then minus, this is left. 1 minus bracket a square plus ab plus b square is left. Now I will open the bracket, so that is a minus. Now I will open the bracket 1 minus a square, then minus ab, then minus b square. Minus b square. This is the. See, there is one more problem. 17, which is slightly. No. See, yes. No, 70. Already I am starting. See, I am starting 5 minutes. Late. No. Let me. All of you solve 70. 17th you have to. 17th you have to solve right now. Do it. 17th you have to solve right now and tell me the answer. 17th you solve and tell me the answer. 17th you solve and tell me the answer. Yes. No. 17th. 17th. We take 3 common. 3 common, then it is 343 minus x cube. 3 common, 343 minus x cube. Then 343 I can write 7 cube minus x cube. 7 cube minus x cube. So now we use, yes, 7 minus x, a cube minus b cube. So 7 square plus 7x plus x square. Writing directly only. 3 into 7 minus x. 7 square is 49 plus 7x plus x square. And this is the answer. No. Why you multiply by 3? Already it is there in the factor. No, multiplication. So 3 into. So I have told you in factorization. So you try the remaining problem which I had given homework next. हाँ, second last step, a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So 7 minus x into 7 square plus 7 into x, a into b, 7 into x plus x square. This is the answer. Ah yes, those who have completed, they can leave. Tomorrow we'll start phi and complete that part. Do the homework without fail. All of you are not sending me the homework. Yes. No. I said all of you. Few of you are sending, but it should be all of you. Yes. Yes. That WhatsApp, in WhatsApp group, personal WhatsApp number is there. You can send me the homework on that number. Bye. Yes. Anybody is writing this? Write first. So this complete exercise 5D. Tomorrow we'll start 5E and complete that.